Greetings, humans, boys and girls, teenagers, men and women, and welcome back to my show, The Art of F.A. Checky on FATV, the one and only FATV where we do lots of things like art, having fun, just living life. But one other thing, this is a call to action video. And as such, I'm calling to action all of you, like many other YouTubers. But first, I'll say thank you for all your support. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for watching. But what I need from all of you are shares, likes, comments, views, subscriptions. Please subscribe. And the reason I say this is because I love to give back. My wife and I are both hardworking people. We'll be fine. I want to give half of all the ad revenue that we can generate on our YouTube channels, on our YouTube channel, this one in particular to start because I only got one, FATV. But all the episodes I'm doing, including this call to action episode, every single one, when I make a video, I want to give half of all the money we can generate off these videos, not just ad revenue, whatever we can make. I say ad revenue, that's where you start, but I'd like to incorporate product sales and anything you can get through a YouTube video. We're just a launching, a recently launched and startup YouTube channel, and we're so low budget. Even this like selfie stick is like, what the heck? I rigged that. But this is my art studio. But that's where we're starting off this little call to action. You know, it's not going to happen without you guys. I wish I could give more personally for my own funds, but I can't. I got 3 kids, and one going to college, and 2 that are quite young, Matthew and Callie, that you see in some of my videos. But in this video, I just wanted to start with a call to action, saying thank you, first of all, for all those who have viewed the videos and done what you can for me. A lot of whom are friends on Facebook. Shout out to y'all on Facebook. There's a number of you on there. But we've been working on a piece over here that you can't really see very well, I think, because of that light. So we'll get this camera going better. This is just the intro where I want to talk about what I'm doing, what I'm up to. This really will be a much shorter YouTube video. I'm just gonna do some little bit of ASMR type stuff after, like sounds of that appeal with the paintbrush and the canvas. I think a little ASMR is always good. That's hot right now. It's so hot on YouTube and the internet. I put up some works here on the wall too. I thought that would be good to show off a little bit there. And then you can see around my studio here a little bit more. I got a work over there, one I just keep on there to do little touches on. But really in the end, it's about me sharing with you my art, my life, my views, my philosophies, a lot of different things. And I think this is good for kids. I think it's good for adults, and anybody in between, anything, I guess. Are there any things out there that are watching this? Any people. And so we're aiming very seriously. I've invested in this channel lots of my time. I'm just asking, like, you know, even to watch just a few minutes of an episode or share it. Tell people about it, especially if you're an artist. I am raising money for the starving artists, the arts, and I want to help artists get their name out there too. A lot don't have any funds or anything to market or whatever the case may be, and so I want that money to go to these charities, and so and other charities as well. And again, from the bottom of my heart, if you can help me, I hope to help a lot of other people. And I'm going to go get a cup of coffee like my ritual, light my candle, and do a little painting. And it'll be a little ASMR fun just for y'all. About 5 minutes. It'll be about a 10-minute video all in all. And I hope you enjoy. Oh, Bob. Oh, Bobby. Thank you, Bob Ross, for all your inspiration. I'll put that there. And we're ready to paint. Alrighty, so that was a little ASMR segment. This is the landscape I have chosen, very cavernous or canyon like. The fantasy and surreal element still surprise, mainly because I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. Okay, but this I decided on. I decided on this piece as it's unfolding to do this type of look. And next I'm going to do just the misting of this area, how the clouds just kind of pour into this void, and overlaying that mist on everything with the lighting that I have chosen, and that's coming up.
Close your eyes, see all I